Welcome to the Hartford Boat Show 2019. It's the 50th anniversary being held at Mohegan Sun Casino. My name's Keith Abel and I work for MarineMax. Today I'm going to take you through the 130 Super Sport. This boat was just redesigned for 2019. This is the classic. This is what started the company 61 years ago. You have a beautiful bow, anchor well. There's also an optional cooler with a cooler cushion. This is new for this year. Plenty of storage, flips up, flips down, has a little drain on it, it's lockable. You do have some optional seats here. You have flip up, flip down. You can get a little bench seat, plenty of room in the back, and a beautiful swim ladder, powered with a 40 horsepower 4-stroke engine. These boats are just beautiful for the family, cruising, fishing, water activities. For more information, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.